I found this radio at an antique store for $5. I'm not sure of the year, but it is in beautiful condition. It's missing the knob right there. No biggie though. There's an antenna in the back. I have no idea what year it is. There's a little scratch right there. Not much though. Has the original cable. General Electric. Here's what the bottom looks like. The label's gone. If anyone knows the year by chance, please message and let me know. It works.
A debate that Dr. James White and I did in Florida. And on the other side of the debate, a gay pastor and a lesbian
I'll set the time.
and
See, it's
they were very devoted
3:24.
to what they believed to be true, and
It's
that
cool.
God approved of their
You can have
their
slow or
relationships,
fast.
etc.
Here's slow.
So,
Here's
I
fast.
said I was going to make the announcement at the bottom of the hour.
Or if
I'll
you went
remake
too
it then, but
far,
I was just so
you
excited
just
to make it, I made it a little early. So, I wanna
hit
take
reverse
this is like the cross-examination
and back it up. There's a slow.
etc. So it's Dr. James White and I.
There's the fast. You passed it up.
And we'll play a few clips. Check this out.
Switch it over to forward. It's, oh, I passed it up. That's close, and when you're finished, you just lock it. You can set your
these other things. Do you believe that
focus
homosexuality leads to the things that Paul
alarm.
describes here in
No,
that part?
it's a common error to think that because Paul mentions
You can adjust the brightness
at the end, that means that everyone
back
commits
here.
all of those sins. That's not the case at all. The point is that when a person exchanges the truth of God for the lie, there is
You always want to keep them
reason homosexuality
where you can read them, but not too bright. You don't want to burn your tubes up. Yeah, those are not LEDs. Those are actual high voltage tubes.
The very identity of our being, and twist that relationship even at that point. There's no connection to therefore saying that means you're going to automatically be disobedient to parents, or automatically be disciple of authorities, or anything like that. All those things flow from rebellion, but not every sin flows from every.
50 people for the name of a slightly
The LA Angels.
10 feet to center field. 1-0 cut.
Frame.
Lane Thomas settles under it, makes the play with one hand, and a good inning for Jordan Hicks. 1, 2, 3.
Whether corporations should boycott states that do things Democrats don't like.
It is really
You and me, but today I see our reflections.
Countdown to the top continues now with Parmalee along with Blanco Brown.
Straight Talk Wireless. No contract, no contract.
Conquering the worm.
So in 15 minutes a day, you'll be speaking.
It might even have a better pickup than my other radio, which is right here. Its older brother. It has the same type of display. Everything on it works.
Read 24 and 25.
Yeah, therefore God gave them over, but then that's verse 24.
Let's see if I can find the year out on it. I think this one
Therefore
is,
God.
Even as they did not retain
here's a sticker on this one.
even as they did not like
Date
to retain
code.
God in their knowledge, God gave them over to debased mind. This is after he has described that. That's what I'm talking about.
Well, but you'll notice that specifically in verse 28, and just as they did not consider it right or good to keep God in their knowledge, God gave them over. So again, the point is, in each one of these instances, going all the way back,
This one here I bought at the Goodwill for, I don't remember, it was like $3 or $6.
something that occurs inwardly.
The Goodwill is usually
Our
super high
understanding,
priced.
our attractions,
Anymore they are.
given to us to even continue the species.
I don't understand. Everything they have is donated to them. I seen a
All of mankind.
Kenwood.
External thing, it touches every aspect of our being.
It was vintage. It was nice. Just a dual cassette player. Not an amplifier. Cassette. They wanted $75 for it. I had the money, but I'm not going to buy it. Not for that. So this one here, I believe, it's a Panasonic made in Japan. I believe I looked it up. Guess how much I gave for that one? Believe it or not, I found that in the dumpster out back when I was taking the trash out. All I had to do is put a cord on it. Someone cut the cord. Model number RE-7365. Phono input, but they work as auxiliary too. You can hook an MP3 player up, and I did. It's not a like a preamp, overdriven. Then I have my own old Kenwood fan in here blowing. Someone gave this to me, close friend of mine. I took it apart, refurbished it. I need to actually turn the lights on. This thing is amazing. I have it running through one of these transformers. They make them for in Japan. It'll take your voltage, like here we have about 125 volts. This cuts it down to around 107 or 109. It says right here 117 in, and it comes out 100. Yeah, I put a little dust cover on it. this is a dusty place I live in. So I don't like 125 volts going to this vintage fan. I believe it's too much. There's a cover that goes in the back here. I have it. I don't like it on there. Let's see. I believe. Here it is. Yeah. Yeah.
To find out more, visit inhisimage.movie. Thank you for listening to this encore presentation.
So there it is. I think it looks better without it, and it definitely runs cooler without it. So yeah, if you can imagine, yeah, I like it without it. Yes, this works. It'll go back and forth. I need to tighten it up though. It's gonna hit that over there. No, maybe not. So it runs a lot cooler with it off. There's a oiling spout in the back, right there, and one in the front. I keep Marvel Mystery Oil in it, along with Motor Coat. That's some good stuff. Somewhere around 1/3 Motor Coat to 2/3 Marvel Mystery Oil. It works fantastic. I finished it probably, let's see, when was it? Back in somewhere during the COVID, when we were on lockdown is when I finished it. Couldn't go anywhere for months. See, the motor runs about 97 degrees Fahrenheit, 98. That's about 34, 35 degrees. No, 37, 36 degrees Celsius. I mean, that's pretty cool. And then, watch how long it'll go after I shut it off. Here it goes. The Marvel Mystery Oil and Motor Coat works fantastic. The reason I overhauled it was it had seized up. It only ran for about 4 hours when my friend gave it to me. Still going. Yeah. This fan likes running at about 107, 109 volts. So it spins pretty freely. Good fan. They don't make them like that anymore, for sure. I really like this $5 alarm clock, radio alarm clock I got.
Early days, literally, we would.
It tells us this, that different religious leaders came to Jesus. And notice what it says in verse 15. Then the Pharisees went and plotted how they might trap
Turn
him
this off.
with a word, or trap him in his words. And they sent him some of their disciples along with the Herodians, saying, Teacher, we know that you're honest and teach the way of God and truth, which is accurate. What others think doesn't concern you, for you do not look at men's appearance.
I like these old radios. I buy them if the price is right. Clean them up, take them apart, repair the electronics if they need them. I'm working on this one right here.
Show me the tax money. So he knew by the Spirit. So number one, he's a step ahead because he has supernatural insight by the Holy Spirit. Let's believe for that. That the Lord would give words that are not just logical answers, but spiritual.
This one is October 18, 1962.
So they bring him a denarius. He says to them, whose image is
It's
this?
an AM radio,
Caesar's, they said to him,
made in
For
Japan.
to Caesar the things that are Caesar's, and to God the things that are God's. And hearing this, they were amazed. And then others tried to trap him. Trap him in his words. Trap him in his words.
This one
He's a
works.
public figure. He's the Messiah. He's making claims. We can trap him in his words. We can prove he's not. We can embarrass him. We can expose.
Kind of.
One more scripture, and then I want to take
It's
you
AM.
to a couple of recent
I think I have batteries in it. I'm not going to turn it on right now, though.
Fascinating verse, and one that's been very meaningful to me over the
AM
years.
doesn't work real good here.
When Apollos wanted to cross over to
You see,
verse
the one I'm
27,
working on,
encouraged
I
him
believe,
to the disciples to
yeah,
walk with him, and he was mighty in
it's right
scriptures
there.
and discipled by Priscilla and Aquila.
I'm having to redo some of the wires in it.
Greatly helped those who by grace had believed. How did he help them? Verse 28. For he powerfully refuted the Jewish people in public,
All right, well,
demonstrating through the scriptures that the Messiah was Yeshua. How did
like
he
I said,
greatly
if
help
anyone
those who by
knows the
grace had
year
believed?
on
By
this
powerfully
General Electric,
refuting other Jews, Apollos himself a Jew, in public debate, right?
please let me
Demonstrating
know.
through the
And
scriptures that the Messiah was
thank you for
Jesus. So friends, let's step
sitting
back
around
for a minute
and
understand
listening to my
that
video.
debates not only reach out to the lost.
Have a
and-
good
and we've-
evening.
We've met the people that have come
God
to
bless
faith.
you
I'm sure
guys.
many,
Bye-bye.
the vast majority we've never met.